Still hearing that drip, drip, drip? Even after tightening the faucet? You could be wasting gallons of water and money every month. Most faucet leaks come down to worn out parts. And the good news is, many fixes are simple. Let's break down what's causing your leak and how to stop it for good. Worn out washer. The washer creates a seal to stop water. If it's worn, it leaks. To fix this, turn off the water and replace it with a matching new one. Corroded valve seat. Mineral buildup can corrode the valve seat. To fix this, clean it with vinegar or replace it if the damage is bad. A faulty O-ring. A damaged O-ring can cause leaks near the handle. To fix that, swap it for a new one. It's a quick and cheap repair. Loose packing nut. If the packing nut is loose or worn, your faucet might drip. To fix that, tighten or replace it, but don't over tighten it. High water pressure. Pressure spikes can force your water past seals. To fix this, have a plumber check your pressure out or install a regulator. A damaged cartridge. Cartridge faucets can leak when the cartridge wears out. You could replace it with a model-specific one. It's time to call a pro if you're experiencing continuous drips, water damage under the sink, strange noises, or flow issues. How to prevent future leaks. Check washers and O-rings yearly, clean mineral buildup, don't over-tighten faucets, and monitor your water pressure. A leaking faucet can waste thousands of liters a year, but with the right fix, it's an easy win for your wallet and your home. Do you need help? Call Affordable Comfort. Our expert plumbers will stop the drip and get things flowing right again.